Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to justify text without big spaces in Microsoft Word, or how to solve the extra spacing problem in Microsoft Word. Now, if you have a document which has got uneven spaces for different lines, now there is a quick way to fix this issue. To do this, you will have to open the document where you have uneven spaces and then click on File at the top left corner of your Word document, and then click on options. On the options, you will have to go ahead and click on advanced. Under advanced, you will have to scroll down to the extreme bottom until you find the option which says don't expand character spaces on a line that ends with shift return. Once you find this, you will have to go ahead and check the box and click on apply, and this should justify the text or a text without a big spaces in Word document. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.